If you're a complete beginner who keeps hearing that affiliate marketing is how normal people make their first money online, but every video makes it sound complicated, expensive, or already too late, then this one is for you. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact $0 way to start in 2026. No website, no audience, and no money required to begin. And there's one step near the end that almost every beginner skips, the one that actually gets you your first commission. Here's why most beginners never make a single dollar. It isn't talent and it isn't luck. It's that they drown on day one. 100 tabs open, 40 tools everybody swears you need, 10 niches they can't choose between. So they freeze, they never post, and a month later they quietly give up. The good news, you don't need any of that. You need one niche, one free platform, and one honest piece of content. Let me show you the path. So here's the whole plan on one page. Pick a niche you actually care about. Join programs that accept beginners. Create simple content on one free platform. Add your link the honest way, and then repeat it long enough to get seen. That's it. 6 steps, $0. Let's start with the one that trips everyone up. Step 1. Choose your niche, and choose it once. Your niche is just the group of people you want to help, and the kind of thing you'll recommend. Don't chase whatever pays the most. Pick something you could talk about for a year without getting bored, that also has stuff people actually buy. Think fitness, personal finance, tech, hobbies, or home. Write down 3 you like, then pick the one you'd still open a video about at 11 at night. Done. That one decision puts you ahead of most people who are still stuck choosing. Quick check. If you're still with me, you're already in the small group that will actually finish this. Most people clicked off at the word work. Stay to step 4 because that's where the free traffic comes from, the part that costs nothing and does the selling for you. Step 2. Join affiliate programs that welcome beginners. You do not need a website to get approved in 2026. Start with the big, easy-to-join networks and marketplaces in your niche. Many approve you the same day. Search your niche plus the words affiliate program, read the terms, and apply to 3. When they ask where you'll promote, it's completely fine to say a social account or a YouTube channel you're building. Get approved, grab your unique links, and move on. Don't spend a week here. Step 3. Pick one free platform and go all in. Not 5. 1. Short-form video is the fastest lane for a beginner today, because the platform shows your content to strangers even when you have 0 followers. You can talk to camera or stay completely faceless with screen recordings and a voiceover. Your choice. The goal isn't to go viral. The goal is to help one specific person solve one specific problem over and over. Step 4. Use the format that actually leads to a sale. Every piece follows the same simple shape. Call out the problem, teach the solution for free, and then mention the product that makes the solution easier. That's it. You're not selling. You're recommending the thing you'd tell a friend to buy. Make 10 of these before you judge any of them, because your first few are just you learning out loud, and that's supposed to happen. Step 5. Place your link the honest way. Put it where people expect it, your bio, your description, or a pinned comment, and always tell people it's an affiliate link. A simple line like, "These are affiliate links and I may earn a small commission at no cost to you," isn't just required by law, it actually builds trust. People buy from creators who are upfront, never fake results, never invent numbers. Honesty is the long game that pays. Step 6. Repeat until you're seen. Here's the honest truth nobody wants to hear. Your first commission usually doesn't come from your first post. It comes from your 10th, your 20th, the one that finally reaches the right person at the right moment. So commit to a number, not a feeling. Say 30 pieces of content before you decide it isn't working. Almost everyone who quits right before the algorithm was about to figure them out. And that step almost everyone skips. It's this, actually asking for the click. Beginners teach, then go silent, and just hope. You have to gently point people to the link and tell them why it helps them. Not pushy, just clear. If you want the exact one I use, it's linked below. That single sentence is the difference between views and income. Now let's be real about what to expect, because I won't insult you with fake screenshots. Affiliate marketing is not a lottery ticket, and it's not instant. It's a skill, one of the very few where you can genuinely start with nothing but time and a phone. Treat your first 90 days as learning, not earning. Do that, and you'll have built something almost nobody around you has the patience to build. A real, honest income skill that compounds for years. Okay, here's your next step. I put together a free $0 affiliate starter kit. The beginner-friendly programs, the content templates, and the exact link disclosure lines from this video. And it's waiting for you in the pinned comment. Grab it and pick your niche today, not someday. If this made affiliate marketing finally feel doable, do one thing for me. Hit subscribe, because every single week I walk you through the next step of building your first online income from zero. New here? This is your channel now. I'll see you in the next one. Now go get that first click.